All right, back at it. My alarm system installed. Yay! Yeah, that's all done. And all the doors are covered, and window glass break sensor, and camera, kicking it out over there at the top. I was able to move a few more things in here, like the microphone, one of the desk, the drum set. It's for my son. I need to move that backwards. I got my motion sensor and another alarm over here on this door. Hey, I'm protected. But this is another step in the process of building out this gym. Still don't have power on the left side of the warehouse, which won't get done until next week. But got power on the right side and everything's good to go. Keeping it moving. I'll keep you posted.